Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by identifying whether redirects are server, HTML, or JavaScript driven. Open browser developer tools and watch the network panel during page load. Look for HTTP status codes such as 301 or 302 in response headers. Also scan page source for meta refresh tags or window. Location assignments. Use curl ihttps // com to see raw headers and redirect chains. Document each redirect step and the location header URLs for troubleshooting. Capture timestamps and request sizes when possible to spot timing anomalies. Inspect server configurations such as Apache, htaccess, or Nginx server blocks. Remove or correct redirect and rewrite rule lines that force external destinations. Check content management system settings for site URL or canonical domain mismatches. Disable suspicious plugins and scan for injected JavaScript in theme files. Replace compromised files from clean backups and reset FTP or SSH credentials. Update CMS, plugins, and server packages to the latest available stable versions. Set strict content security policy and block inline scripts to prevent future injection. After fixes, validate redirects using curl and common online redirect checkers. Confirm no unexpected 3xx responses and ensure final destinations return 200 status. Automate hourly checks with a monitoring tool and alert on any new 3xx codes. Harden access by enforcing 2FA, rotating passwords, and limiting IP SSH access. Implement WAF rules and regularly scan files for injected script patterns. Keep backups that are isolated and test restore procedures quarterly or monthly. Document the incident, remediation steps, and timeline for future reference and audits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.